Hi.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. I have my son here with me. For today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut his hair because we do leave it long. But I do trim it and things like that when it's getting too long. Like now, it makes his head look pretty big. He's in need of a haircut right now, so I decided to go ahead and film it to kind of show you guys how I do it. I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have my cosmetology license, so I am experienced in hair cutting. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that I didn't want you guys thinking that I just go around cutting my son's hair like crazy, because no, I do know, a little something. He does look a little crazy right now because I figured I don't have to do his hair because I do have to cut it, so don't mind his little messy hair right now. Also, I thought this would be a really good video to film as well because I know cutting kids' hair is very, very hard because they move so much. So I kind of wanted to show you guys how I managed to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing I do is wet his hair and then I comb his hair all the way back and I'm going to part it in the middle. You guys probably gonna be hearing my other son. He's in the high chair right next to the camera, so he's gonna be making baby talk. Sorry about that. Filming with the kids in the room today. So the first thing I did was part his hair in the middle because I'm going to take some of the length first. I'm going to be using a red tail comb. I know this is not for hair cutting, but it's the only one that I can find right now, so hey. Look down here. So the first thing I'm going to do is, Liam, no moving, okay baby? No moving, okay? And with kids you gotta move fast and it's not gonna be perfect. Especially since his hair is curly and he's gonna be moving. But as long as you cut it as perfect as you can, it's gonna be okay. And I'm just cutting about an inch. Liam, look, keep your head straight, baby. Then what I'm going to do is do like a U shape on the top of his head. Like a horseshoe. I'll put that part up and I'm gonna be cutting that one later. I'm gonna be parting his hair diagonally. And since he's keeping his hair looking down, you wanna make sure that you're not straight like this because then it's gonna be too long at the top. You wanna make sure that you're holding his hair basically straight to how he's looking, if that makes any sense. So for instance, if he's looking down, I want to make sure that I'm going the way that his head is, if that makes any sense. But okay, so since I part his hair diagonally, I'm gonna be cutting an inch. So I'm cutting at an angle as well. So I'm holding the hair, so it's gonna go from long to short, like in an angle, like this. I'm holding it like this. Okay, so I do diagonal on this side until I get to the other corner of his neck, if that makes sense. So half his head. And I'm gonna start on the opposite side, diagonal, but the opposite way, if that makes any sense. To blend the top, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, okay, I gotta wet it up. I gotta wet it a little bit more. I'm gonna take a little bit of the hair that I just cut, so I can use that as a guide. And then I'm gonna go little by little to the front, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna be parting it. Liam, move forward, baby. And I'm not gonna cut it up. What I'm gonna do is cut it. Liam, put your head straight, baby. Look up. Look straight for me. Okay, I'm gonna take it, Liam, straight like that. Like that. I'm gonna pull it back. And I'm gonna cut. And there you go, that's my guide. So now, for the rest, what I'm going to do is pull it up and cut, not back. Then I'm gonna push everything back and I'm going to blend the sides with the top, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna be pulling it like this. And I'm gonna blend it. And I'm gonna do that all around the head. Like basically in the U shape that I had created earlier. So that's basically all that I do for hair cutting. So after I'm done with the haircut, all I do is style it with whatever hair product I'm using. And I normally use whatever hair product I'm using for myself. I use it on him as well. I don't really like buy a separate hair product for him. It's rare that I do that. Unless it's like shampoo, of course, and he has his own. But yeah, once his hair is dried, that's when I could tell, you know, if I left how's it looking. If there's a curl or a little spot that needs to be cut because it's too long, I go ahead and I do it. So yeah, once it's dry, I guess I'll record it a little bit to kind of show you guys the ending results. So uh-oh. It's gonna cover the iPad, blah, 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 blah. Oh. What is this? You have candy. Okay, so that's all I do. Look at the camera, Liam. Say hi. Oh, you're not happy? Yeah. Alright, so